Hi everybody. Just kidding. Hi everybody and welcome back. We are going to try out the new Urban Decay Beach palette. Yay! It is Sunday, May 6th, and it just came out today. And yes, I was at Ulta almost when they opened. I was a little delayed because my husband took me to brunch for my birthday. So sweet of him. He's so nice. He's so nice to me. I'm going to spray our little brushes real quick. We have to do a serious brush cleaning, I'm telling you. So, I forget who I was watching, but I was watching this gal on YouTube kind of do a beauty room tour. And she was showing how when she gets, like her brushes, when they get dirty, she puts them in a makeup bag. I have 5,000 makeup bags, I swear I do. So, I'm going to pour Enzo. I think he got squirted with the makeup, with the brush cleaner. Whoops. So we're going to work off my lap today because I didn't pull in my other little table. I swear, I need a TV stand, one that I can fold up and put away. I need one so bad. I need to go to the yard sales and find one. Sarah Kay is supposed to be grabbing me one. That child. I'll be waiting for Christ to come. Yes, I'm drinking my Diet Coke. Alright, I'm going to zoom you in so you can see what I'm doing. So this is my new palette. This is it right here. So the first thing I'm going to do is go in with a blending brush into this salt color right here. And I'm going to put that all over my eyes. We may have to work backwards a little bit. Because I need my mirror. Sorry. That salt color has a little bit of shimmer to it. Probably not the right color for me to be setting down my primer with, but oh well. It's all good and we're going to work with it. Sorry, my dogs are underneath the camera and I don't want them to knock it over. Them's lights bright. Okay, and then I'm going to go into this color right here. It's called Daybreak. I know you guys probably don't want me that far up in your television, even your phone. And I'm going to use this as my transition color. Oh, this is nice. That is so nice. Oh, yeah. Please excuse my frizzy hair. It is such a mess. I had to wash it this morning and it wasn't drying when I had it pulled up, so I had to take it down. Wow. I'm loving this. Loving this. This is getting me excited. Doesn't take much really, but it is making me happy. Okay. So I'm going to go with a very sandy, beachy look. So I'm going to go into this color right here, this Blaze, which is a shimmer. And I am going to put that on The inner, I think this is the one that they were talking about, that you gotta use your finger. Or you gotta put some spray down. I'm trying to debate, do I want to use my finger or do I want to use spray? My finger seems to be doing the trick. I may have to go into it a little bit with some spray. I told you guys about the spray story, right? I know I have. I gotta get my nails done. I should have gone this weekend, but I didn't, and I won't go tomorrow because we have plans, and after, plans after work, and I have to work during the day. Nerve of people making me work. So it won't get done until Wednesday, and I have to take Mommy to the eye doctor Wednesday. She just has something taken off of her eye. Okay, I'm going into the color plunge. I'll show it to you in a minute. It's this blue right here. It's the darker of the blues. It is also a shimmer shade. I'm sure you can see that. I am not getting any there's fallout, but it's falling on my shirt, not my face. Don't ask me why. Wow. Wow. This is amazing. Amazing. I'm like just totally winging this. I have no idea what I plan on doing. Let's see something here. Let's see if I can get this thing to pick up some of this sand and do a little bit of a transition. Blend this together. It's called Blaze. It's not called sand. I think I called it sand. Now I'm going to go into this dark brown down here called Wedge, and I'm going to darken up the outer part of my eye and take that into my crease. Darken it up. There's a lot of fallout with that, which normally wouldn't be a big deal except I've already got foundation on. Not that it can't be taken off and reapplied, because yes, I need my tape. Hope taught me better than this. I'm making quite a mess with this shade. Just so you know. I'm dirtying my palette. Palette's getting awfully filthy. But see, I don't know what you want, baby. But I can't right now. Whatever it is. So I'm going to go into this heat wave color right here, and I'm going to put that under my eye. Butsy. Butts! Come on, buddy. I need you to be quiet for a little bit, okay? Just like Butsy. Then I'm going to go into Double Dip. That's the other blue. And I'm going to put some of that underneath there, too. Yeah, that brown, that wedge. is interesting. Alright, let's deepen up. Let's do some on our eyes. Because in all of that, we've lost some. Hey, I'm going to clean up my face and put some mascara on. I'll be right back to show you how this turns out. Hi guys, welcome back. Sorry about that. But Betsy and them get a little bit excited sometimes when they know that I'm doing something that they think I won't stop doing to go and take care of them. So this is how the finished eye look came out from the Beach palette. I am in love. It was everything that I thought it would be and more. Like, love. Love, love, love. If you're debating on whether to buy a Naked palette or that Beach palette, get that Beach palette. I would trade any one of my Naked palettes for that. It's awesome. So like I said, in my shopping video, I got the Tower 1 metallized lipstick, and it's in this adorable packaging. It's adorable. So we're going to put this on. I'm pretty sure all the reviews that I did watch, there's not a whole lot out, but it said that this is, yeah, it's a sheer with a shimmer. So it's got like a pinky, peachy shimmer to it. But, yeah. What do you think? I love it. Absolutely love it. Highly recommend it. I'm pretty sure it's exclusive to Ulta. I'm not even sure if you can buy it on Urban Decay's website. I'm sure you can. But I know Ulta has it. They've had it online for some time. But it was just one of those things I've not had the best of luck. I love Urban Decay's palettes. I buy almost every one of them. But I wanted, for some reason, to see this one. I just... yeah, I wanted to see it in person before I invested in it. So, anyways, if you're on the fence about buying this, go ahead and buy it. It is that good. It is that good. So, yeah. I don't know what else to say about it, but I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. My hair is so bad, though. Look at all this crazy stuff. Alright, guys. So, thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back in a little bit to do a full face of Makeup Forever. Makeup Forever. I keep saying Makeup Forever. It's Makeup Revolution. It really is Makeup Revolution. I can't afford a full face of Makeup Forever. Alright, guys. I'll be back very soon. Mwah. Betsy's saying bye too.